Hey, hello everyone. Welcome back again. It is continuation to our three previous videos on uh, the report check_cm. Okay, I will provide you the link in the description. Please go through those videos. Now let's start. So as of now, we have discussed about the settings for credit check. Now let's check the remaining three. Okay, you see here there is one field in Vbuk-Cmgst, overall credit status, and there are some other fields in the same VBUK table like static, dynamic CMPSA, CMPSB, maximum document value, critical fields, next inspection date, open items, oldest open item, etc. etc. So in any cases, if any of these fields are not okay, then the CMGST field also become not okay. If everything is okay, then this is also okay. That means the CMGST status is completely dependent on the these fields status. If everything is okay, then this is okay. If any one of them is not okay, then overall credit status CMGST also not okay. Okay, so if you see in this example, um, see everything is fine here except the dynamic check is not okay. It's failed. Because of this dynamic check is not okay, the overall status also become not okay. CMGST equal to B. And that's what I have mentioned here. If the entry under credit status from table VBUK is red, this means that this credit check failed. So in S4HANA, the CMGST field moved to VBAK and LIKP, and this is determined based on the other fields status. And these checks will be verified from the transaction code OVA8. And moreover, in the OVA8, there is one field called status and block, and you can control that the executed credit check result is reflected in the sales document too. If the overall status is released, still you can see which check failed before releasing the document. Okay, in case of classic credit management, there is no log will be recorded anywhere in the system. This is the drawback of classic credit management. However, in case of FSCM credit management, we have a transaction code UKM underscore logs underscore display, or we can use DCT transactions to see the logs. So the next one is that settings for credit update. So in this section, we will see how the credit price will be updated into the info structures. We will continue in the next video. Thank you.